Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. There was optimism in the US cannabis industry after President Joe Biden won the 2020 election. The hope was that the US government would decriminalize the use of recreational marijuana, thereby opening up many opportunities for cannabis companies. To understand the significance of decriminalization, it's important to understand that the US cannabis market was valued at around 33.6 billion in 2023, and it's estimated to grow at a compounded annual growth rate of 12.1% from 2024 to 2030. This implies a potential market of 74.74 billion by 2030. This expected scale of enormous market means significant growth opportunities for cannabis producers. Unfortunately, Biden administration failed to decriminalize cannabis, which means that the companies are shut out from doing financing with traditional banks. But when one door closes, another one opens. And that's where Advanced Flower Capital Inc., traded on NASDAQ under symbol AFCG, comes in. John?
Thanks, Mo. Yeah, Advanced Flower is a real estate investment trust or REIT that provides institutional loans of between $10 million and $100 million targeting state licensed cannabis operators. Loans are secured by commercial real estate along with other types of financing solutions. Advanced Flower Capital stock has, as of this recording, advanced 32% and 24% and 42% year over year, trading at $9.64 per share. This stock is above its 200-day moving average of $8.58 per share, but below its 50-day moving average of $9.90 per share. The chart shows some congestion, but Advanced Flower Capital stock is holding in a bullish golden cross pattern.
Looking at the numbers, how did this company do in the most recent quarter?
Advanced Flower Capital only has 3 years of reporting operating results. While the results have been mixed, the encouraging news is that the company has delivered consistent profitability and positive free cash flow, which has, of course, allowed the company to pay dividends. Revenue hit a record $71.5 million in 2022 compared to $38.1 million in 2021, before contracting 24.1% to $54.3 million in 2023. Now, the revenue outlook looks flat, with analysts expecting Advanced Flower to report $54.7 million in 2024 and $56.9 million in 2025. But with interest rates set to decline, the company could see higher demand for loans as long as the cannabis market rises. And the great thing about Advanced Flower Capital stock has been the company's ability to deliver consistent profitability. The high point was $1.79 per share in 2022, prior to the drop of $1.02 per share in 2023. Nonetheless, Advanced Flower's profitability has allowed for strong dividends, and the outlook remains positive. Looking ahead, analysts expect Advanced Flower Capital to increase profits by 48% to $1.51 per diluted share in 2024, followed by $1.46 per diluted share in 2025.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're browsing the website, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. Now back to the video. John, what about the company's dividends?
Fund statement shows the company's ability to generate positive free cash flow, and as already noted, this helps support the nice dividend stream. Advanced Flower Capital has actually paid steady dividends since becoming a publicly traded company in 2021. Company stock dividend of 33 cents per share has been in place for 6 straight quarters, going back to June 2023. Now, this works out to an annual distribution of $1.32 per share for an annual dividend of 13.69%. Now, longer term, the dividend has grown 26.9%. Initial dividend payment of 26 cents per share in the June 2021 quarter. Payout ratio is 129.4%. based on 2023 earnings, but it's expected to fall to 87.4% based on 2024 estimates. The higher payout ratios are pretty typical of REITs.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Advanced Flower Capital stock's institutional ownership of 36.3% of the outstanding shares is decent for a company with a market valuation of only $200 million. The relatively high insider ownership of 17.84% should drive insiders to deliver better results. Value-wise, AFCG stock trades at an attractive 6.4 times its consensus 2024 earnings per share estimate. Advanced Flower Capital stock also trades above its book value of $9.42 per share. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks due on today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.